Hello, my name is Connor from Wrexham Volkswagen, and today I'll be showing you around this used Nissan Juke Premier Edition. This Juke is powered by a 1.6 litre petrol hybrid engine that produces 141 brake horsepower with automatic transmission. It's finished in this white paintwork with black styling. To the side of the vehicle you find the 19-inch alloy wheels, and to the front the LED headlights that keep the roads well lit. Coming into the boot, you find the Juke offers generous space for everyday use, alongside folding rear seats, a privacy screen and shop and bike hooks. Into your rear seating, you find the interior to be fitted with this leather seating, which feature ISOFIX mounting points. To the front you'll find your USB port. Moving into the cabin, you find your front seats with manual adjustment, alongside other features such as aux and USB ports, cup holders and storage inside the armrest. The multifunction steering wheel features cruise control and controls for your cockpit display. Moving on to the touchscreen display, there are various ways to listen to media such as FM and DAB radio, USB and Bluetooth connectivity. You can connect your mobile device for hands-free use whilst on the road. Apple Carplay and AndroidAuto is available, furthering device connectivity. Navigation allows you to find destinations with ease and plan your journey ahead. You can also access various vehicle settings. Beneath the display you'll find your car's climate control system. And this Juke comes equipped with front rear parking sensors and a rear view camera, allowing you to park up stress-free. I hope you enjoyed this presentation on the used Nissan Juke Premier Edition that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, please follow the link in the description below. Or if you'd like to arrange a test drive, please get in touch with our friendly sales team today. Thank you very much for watching. We look forward to helping you find your next vehicle.